So finally it's time to fix my pots because I need to move this hydrangea to a little bit of sunlight, probably morning, and then all this is gonna be gone. This hydrangea is doing fine, but I don't think it's for a long time because there's no sun absolutely here, and I'm gonna move it to my side, to the side of my garden. And this is the other pot that I'm planning on changing, and yeah, let's get planting. So those are the plants. We're gonna see what I'm gonna plant where, and then I'll let you know. So the pots are done. Looks nice. We're gonna see how they're gonna grow and whether they like the spot here. And I put some manure and I put some soil extra, and then also I got this from Costco while I'm waiting for my other food for the plants. But this is in the meantime what I'm gonna be using. And this is the other pot. I think it's so pretty. And then I'm gonna be planting this in different gardens, so that's not gonna stay here. And so far I gotta figure out the situation with the hydrangea because it's so pretty, and all the other plants I will probably stick somewhere because they're really pretty when they're in the right place. So yeah,